Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Abhisha here, and today we're going to be doing a room decor for galaxy admirers. That is a beautiful galaxy bottle. Without waiting, let's go on with the video. To start with, we need a mansion jar. Here I'm using a 60 ml jar. Next up, you're going to be needing watercolors. For my bottle, I use red, pink, purple, blue and black shades. You can be really creative with this part and mix up a bunch of different colors. Now, we're going to be needing 3 containers and fill them up with water. Add some glitter with the help of a brush. Mix them up with the water. Now add watercolors. Now get the jar and start filling it up little by little using cotton. Pour in the lighter shade at the bottom. Here I'm using red as my lighter shade. Fill it up with more cotton. You can prefer using a pencil to blend up the colors. Now add in the medium shade and blend it up with a pencil. Add in some more cotton and add black. Add purple. For the finishing touch, as I felt my galaxy was too light, I added a dash of black. Beautiful galaxy bottle is ready! Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Bye!